guys, it's Jackie. Ooh, we French today. No, we're not. I don't know if you noticed in the last video and this video, I do have a new intro because when I smashed my phone, I lost the other one. So I had to make a new one. So, hope you like it. Just as much, if not better, probably not better. I don't know. I was kind of, I don't know. I forgot how I made the first one, so I was like doing it all over again. Anyways, so yes, there is a new intro, and yeah. So today we're gonna play with this lovely little loose pigment, and yeah, I created this look using it. And if you would like to see how I did that, and yeah, stay tuned. Don't mind my crappy skin. I was smart today. I didn't do my base makeup first because I'm not sure if there's going to be fallout, how this is going to go. So, bare face. I just primed my eyes, got my eyes ready for shadow application. So, alright, we are gonna start with this bronze color, and we're just going to use that as a transition. We're not going to use too much, because as we know, it's a very interesting color. So we're going to put that on false. Okay, so there's that. I'm a little nervous about this. Okay, we're gonna go into the charcoal pigment, loose pigment by E.L.F. We're gonna test this out. You know what I want, sort of? How do I open this? Hello. Hello. So I've never, ooh. Oh boy, it's glittery. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted. We're gonna play with it. Okay, so I've never used a loose pigment before. So I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're just gonna see what happens together. I think, I don't know what I want to put this on. I'm gonna put it on a crease brush and see what happens. Oof. Here we go. I'm gonna go all over the lid with this in case you were curious what I was doing. All over the lid. I like it. Wow, look at that. It's a nice charcoal-y color. Let's see if we can add a little more, make it a little darker. I hear snow plows. It snowed a little last night, but today is a Friday. Okay, so let's try to build this up, make it a little darker. So today's Friday. When you see this, it will be Monday. So we will already have gotten majority of our snowstorm. Not looking forward to the snowstorm. Just saying that right off the bat. I feel like I can't like build this. Maybe a little. it's interesting. Yeah, I kind of like it. And it definitely puts the pigment on your eye. Well, there's that part. Now I'm gonna attempt to put this teal color over that. First, I'm gonna try it with my finger. Ooh, wow, look at that. Whew. Well, it definitely went on my finger, but it didn't leave my finger, so finger's not gonna work. Let's try shadow brush, dry. It's kinda, yeah, it's definitely not doing what I was hoping it would do. I'm gonna try to wet a flat brush. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. That's better. I like that. Cool, I like that. That's what I wanted. I wanted that teal over the charcoal, make it kind of like, I don't know, charcoal teal. That doesn't even make sense. Let's get a little more charcoal. Blend it in. Yeah, that's not really working out in there. Pigment doesn't really want to come out of the container very well. But I guess it just means it's not going to spill everywhere, right? I think I'm going to take some of that black in the palette, deepen up the outer corner. Okay, so let's take this brush, flat eyeshadow brush, that's what it's called, and dip it into this darker teal color. And I'm gonna put that on the bottom underneath. Always so loud with the makeup wipes. All right. Going to put on some liner. Okie dokie. I think I am going to pop on some lashes, do my face, and I will be back looking much better than this. So, this is the final look. Let's see. Not too bad. I don't know how often I will use the loose pigment, but it's not bad. It's a pigment, just like every other pigment. Anywho, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I have more to say. What do I have to say? Oh, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. I would love to have you. Almost to 200. Almost. So close. And hit the bell to become part of the notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos upload. And feel free to share this video, any of my videos, if you feel like sharing them. Feel free. And yeah, I feel like there's more to say. Oh, there is, guys. I have a Beauty Obsessions with Jackie Facebook page. So if you go down in the description box, you go pretty much all the way to the bottom. It's all the way to the bottom. There's a link down there so you can like my page and join my little Facebook community. And yeah, you will see sneak peeks of future looks and looks I have done in the past and all that fun stuff. So yeah, feel free to click the link and like my page. And yeah, so that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a great day. Bye.